Hey guys, what is happening? Today we'll be drawing Fakemon from Five Nights at Freddy's animatronics. Yeah, I wasn't kidding when I announced the FNAF and Pokémon crossover, and with the release of both FNAF Security Breach and both the new Pokémon games looming closer and closer, being hinted at with weird teasers, what better time to make a crossover episode? When the release, I guess. But anyways, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. It helps a lot, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, for the first animatronic, I chose Bonnie, a fan favorite and Scott Cawthon's original Nightmare Fuel. I wanted to make him more to the proportions of an actual rabbit, obviously sticking with the normal color scheme, and I kept the bow tie. I replaced the guitar with a carrot because a rabbit this size would surely not be able to carry an actual guitar. Again, I didn't want to make a lot of changes, I just wanted to see how Bonnie would look as a Fakemon. And here he is. Bonnie, the poison bunny Pokemon. Bonnie loves to steal farm food from farmers and have been known to sometimes even raid their houses. But a lot of farmers have befriended these Pokemon as they ward off pets and unwanted creatures in return for food and shelter. They can always be seen carrying around something, be it a carrot or maybe even just a stick. Now, let's move on to the next smallest in the band. Actually, I don't know if it's the next smallest creature. I can't seem to be able to decide. If you haven't guessed it already, it's Chica the chicken. This one was pretty easy. I had to draw a chick, of course, and I decided to keep the cupcake as it was an iconic part of Chica. I did this because I wanted to make it a bit sinister. This one was a bit weird. The cupcake was actually like a second head that did all the psychic stuff, and the normal head was used for the other normal functions like sight, hearing, and eating. Meet Chica, the cupcake Pokemon. Chica looks like a normal cute chicken Pokemon in plain sight, as its eyes will be open like a normal Pokemon and the cupcake's eyes will be closed, but if even slightly disturbed, this Pokemon suddenly closes its normal eyes and opens the cupcake eyes that holds all the psychic powers. It hypnotizes its attacker or prey and then devours the flesh. It's a carnivorous and dangerous Pokemon. Several tourists have claimed to see Chicas eating their colleagues as they mistook them for cute chicken Pokemon. Alright. For the third one, I'm gonna be doing Foxy. Again, a fan favorite. Foxy kinda has the most Pokemon-like vibe in my opinion. I wanted to draw him complete with his iconic pirate hook and eye patch, as it's pretty much what makes Foxy, well, Foxy. Unlike the other Pokemon that I did, I wanted to give this Pokemon a stoic personality, as I have never really seen a stoic depiction of Foxy anywhere. Maybe that's because I'm just too dumb. But for this design, I really didn't have to steer too much off course, as all I did was take the animatronic and make him look like his mascot self, Pokemon style. Meet Foxy, the pirate fox Pokemon. So many urban legends surrounding this Pokemon say that it came from the sea and worked with pirates, but that is only partially true. Although pirates and seafarers like to keep this Pokemon, it wasn't really because of any functional use. The Foxies are close relatives of Nickit and Thievor and are found mostly in deep rainforests. This Pokemon uses its hook to pierce, poison, and paralyze prey, after which it can easily cut the flesh into small pieces and eat. And now, finally, for the star of the show, and my personal favorite, Freddy Fazbear. Despite being the brand mascot, he is really one of the underdogs, as he gets to usually go unnoticed, which is one of the reasons why I love him. For his design again, I kept the most iconic parts of him, the hat, the bow tie, and made him look like an actual bear. The black and brown really stuck with his sinister, mischievous look. He looks like he's about to execute an ingenious plan. I really like his rounded look as well. Freddy, the magician bear Pokemon. This mischievous bear always has some trick up his sleeve to trick prey that includes humans. This Pokemon has one of the most complex brains found in any Pokemon, which is located inside its hat-like portion of the head and extends down to half of the round head. Alright guys, I really hope you like the designs. If you got any feedback and maybe Fakemon names for these Pokemon, do let me know in the comments below. If you want me to make more FNAF characters into Fakemon, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification for all bell to stay notified when I post a brand new video, which is every Friday. So bye for today and see you all next week.